Let me show to you 2 or 3 benefits for your loving God. Very vital and very fundamental. What do you gain for loving God? First, loving God ties you to God, makes you one with God, as in marriage. When one or when two become one. So the greatest desire we must have is to be married to God. Love is the cord of marriage between God and us. And what is it about two becoming one? In oneness, listen to me very well, everything becomes common and equally shared. Every treasure becomes commonly shared. That is, the life of God enters into you. He shows you care, and you show him care. No difference. Loving God is becoming one with God. Everything, you live in the same community with God. Where he goes, you go. And where you go by his order, he goes. Love for God makes you worry free. A number of people have met me and say, you always look relaxed. It's because I have an husband who takes care of me. Now, this is not marriage seminar. But if you understand this from scriptures, when God made Eve, he carried her and gave her to Adam. This is your responsibility. This may not sound modern. So Eve entered into a prepared home. And that's why, like I always admonish, a major template for a man to prove readiness for marriage is readiness to accept responsibility. Accept responsibility. When the Lord came to the garden, who did he ask for? Adam, Adam, where are you?